The Okonkwo family are just modern parents. They believe children should make their own choices and learn from experiences. They didn't want to push old rules on Uche. Is that so bad?
It is. When their child calls teachers zombies, old cargos, grandparents, outdated softwares, that's disrespect. That's not learning.
Order! Order! Clear the bench, raise the bar. Because coming in like a superstar is the one and only, my Lord, George Lillian King. Sound like war, bright like light. When she speaks, wrong turns right.
Thank you, Registrar Smith. You do know this is a courtroom and not a comedy club, right?
My Lord, you bring the justice, I bring the joy. Together, we make it Courtroom Deluxe.
Let's begin the case.
My lord, this case is about Mr. and Mrs. Okonkwo. They've not followed Section 20 of the Child Rights Act, which states that parents must guide their children and teach them how to behave. Their son Uche now disrespects teachers and elders. He said his parents never told him it mattered. That's not freedom, that's lack of guidance.
My lord, the Okonkwo family are just modern parents. They believe children should make their own choices and learn from experiences. They didn't want to push old rules on Uche. Is that so bad?
It is. When their child calls teachers zombies, old cargos, grandparents, outdated softwares, that's disrespect. That's not learning.
I told Uche to greet the principal, and he said, greet a zombie, respect is earned, not given. He now turned to the principal and told him, very soon, your job will be taken by robots, and you will become ancient history. That was very disrespectful.
Mr. and Mrs. Okonkwo, do you know about this?
He was expressing himself.
We don't want to break his confidence.
Confidence with no direction. It's like a car with no driver.
Teacher Kemi, don't you think kids today are just more confident and outspoken?
Being confident is fine, but being rude is not confidence. That is bad behavior.
By giving Uche too much freedom, didn't you forget your job to guide him?
Maybe we made a mistake.
Parents, giving children freedom without teaching them right from wrong is dangerous. Section 20 of the Child Rights Act states that it is your right to guide these children properly. The home is a child's first school. If you don't teach the heart, the world will teach them the wrong way. And this is my verdict. Mr. and Mrs. Okonkwo are found guilty of not fulfilling their parental responsibilities. They must attend parental guidance and responsibility training. And they will also volunteer at a youth counseling center to learn and help others, while Uche will be placed in a mentorship program to learn about respect, values, and good character.
All rise. Court is closed. But remember, teach your child before the world teaches them wrongly.
He said zombie to a teacher, outdated software to his granddad. But the error didn't start in his lips. It started at home. No compass, no caution, just freedom with no foundation. You call it modern parent. I call it missing in action. A child isn't a tree that grows wild. He needs pruning, light, and love. The law isn't a cage. It's a guide. Section 20 shouts, parents shape the future, not by control, but by care. Justice isn't angry. She's calling us back to duty.